Morning students. Today we are going to learn the Environment Studies chapter number 5, standard 3rd. Topic Chotu's cows. Here is mentioned in our books Chotu's cows and also Anida's cows, Chandrasekhar's cows, and many types of houses is there. Amma's cows and father's cows. Many names are there to the person. But after we build the house, we give the name. The father's cows, mother's cows, Aya's cows, and Lakshmi's cows. Many names are there. And the peoples are building many types of the building, many types of the house. Now, firstly, we should understand how many kinds of houses. First of all, you will take stilt cows. Stilt cows means they have built the house on the pillar. They have put the foundation and also above their pillar and above their build the house. That is one of the stilt cows. Stilt cows, why do they build the stilt cows? They are building the stilt cows. Any insects cannot come inside the house. And also in the rainy time, water is not coming inside the house. So that they are building the stilt cows. And igloo cows. Igloo cows means they have built the house on the snow places. And they have been building the house on the ice and the snow places. Since they are the house built on the snow places and gold areas and ice areas. And next, when we think tent house, those are built there. You will think in your mind, students. Still, tent house is folding and take from one place to another place. So that this name is called tent house. And another one, caravan. Caravan house is built on the vehicles. They have been moving from one place to another place. And next, we can consider about the flat house. Flat house is building above one by one, and it will be increasing on the top of the place, and above it is going on. So that this name is called flat house. Next we can concern about the houseboat. The houseboat is built on the boat, and also boat is going on the water. The float is the boat is the house is float on the boat. It is moving on the water. So that it is called houseboat. Students, and also those are building the cement and bricks. It is very strong. When we build the house, cement and bricks, it is very strong. Many people are building this house today. And also you can think mud and straw. Some people are building the house mud and straw. And the mud and straw houses are not strong. And immediately sometimes in the rainy season it will fall down in the air. So that we cannot believe this mud and straw house. Today, when we think about the house many parts are there. House is there, many parts. So we understand about that. How can we move inside the house? Some person comes inside the home and some person go outside. And also, what is there moving inside the house? Some domestic animals are there. Lizard is there, rat is there, cat is there, and dog is there. Some domestic animals are surrounding near our house. So students, you will understand about the Chotu's house. Chotu's house means also indicated about one person. It is all. It may be your name. This as a Chotu's house. Chotu's house is mentioned in your books. Now today you understand how should you clean your house. Next you will think in your mind, how should I keep my house? And also you help to your parents. You help to your brothers. If you help to your relatives. Wherever you go and wherever you stay there, you help to your parents to clean the house. Students, you will understand about that and also we study this. What will be there in the house? You will understand what will be there. क्या आपका घर में होती है और कितना कमरा होती है और टॉयलेट रूम कितना प्रकार का है, ये सब आपको जानकारी होना चाहिए. How many kinds of, how many latrine room is there, how many toilet room is there. In some homes there is only one toilet. In some homes there is two toilets room. And also in some homes there is two bathroom. In some home there is two toilet room. But outsider comes inside our home and using the toilet. But here is mentioned one conversation is given in our books and one person did not use the toilet room properly. So there some are advising to him, whenever you go to toilet room you will flush the water and clean the toilet room properly and you will sit properly. It is mentioned here. Students, today you will be also in the places. Anybody else may be in the places. Whenever you go to the toilet room, there is mentioned here you flush the water. But one thing you will understand, and separate toilet room is very important. You will concern about that. Some home is there, some toilet is there in some homes. And separate toilet rooms and separate urinary rooms. So because of you are going to urine quite often, कभी भी आप यूरिन में जा सकता है. quite often means कभी भी आप यूरिन जा सकता है. लेकिन टॉयलेट आप जाते हो, शायद टॉयलेट के लिए आप कभी भी एक बार जाते हो. इसलिए urinary toilet room is given separately in our room. If there will be given separately the toilet room, there is not come the smell. Smell is not come there. So you will be interested here. You clean your room every day and also wash your room properly. And after toilet, you wash your hands and wash your leg properly. It is mentioned in our books. How shall I use my toilet room? How shall I use my bathroom? Outsider comes in our home and are using the toilet room and another person comes inside in our home and use the toilet room, there is coming some smell. We know about that. So that you will keep the toilet separately in our home, and outsider will come there, will use the toilet. That time, when you think in your mind, smell will not come. Properly will be flushing the water through you, and you can clean quite often the toilet room. So toilet room is only given to you. You study in your books and also keep in your mind, and you will clean the toilet room. It is your responsibility. It is your duty. It is your responsibility. So that this lesson is given to you, Chotu's house. How will you keep the house properly and clearly? So that here is mentioned Chotu's house. And also, as this Chotu's house, you will also clean your room and also toilet room. Here is mentioned very clearly for you, Chotu's house lesson. Answer the following questions. 2, 3 questions given to you. You will study this question. Who all help to keep your house clean? कौन आप लोगों का घर में सभी सहयोग करते हो? आपका रूम क्लीन करने के लिए सहयोग करते हो? शुद्ध रखने के लिए, आपका रूम को शुद्ध रखने के लिए आप सहयोग रखते हो? Answer I have given you. Uttar, yes. Where do you go to freshen up in the morning? Where do you go to fresh your body? Where do you go? From your home. And you may go to walk. You may go to playground. You may go to park. You can go to market. Any places you can go. So that here is concerned the questions last. You can write. I have written here answer playground. You may go to playground to run and take the exercise. Where do you throw the garbage of our house? Garbage is there. Dust is there. You will throw your garbage and dirty, throw inside the dustbin. वो डस्टबिन रखा गया, वो डस्टबिन में आप कुछ भी कागज पत्र और कचरा कोई भी है उसमें डालना चाहिए. So that this question is given to you. Answer. Where do you throw the garbage of our house? Garbage means dirty, kachara. You throw this kachara dustbin. And also, lastly, you will understand mosquito, spider, ants, rats. These are coming in our house. But to save your body, your mosquito net is very important. And tie the mosquito net and you sleep inside the home. So properly maintain your home. You will fresh and also don't come the diseases. Okay, students, write the homework. I have come to end the class. Thank you very much. Signing off.